Washington DC, capital of USA. Look at this beautiful place here. This is the Georgetown Waterfront Park area in Washington DC. Look at these fountains. There are beautiful vibes here in this location. There are restaurants you can see all around. There is fireplaces over there. It's a little chilly on this spring day here, so they are serving in the restaurants and they are providing the heaters like a fire. And you see all that setup, that white thing is a restaurants. They came out and they arranged small houses like stuff here. If you go here this way, you can see the waterfront area where I'm going to take you and tour you. Look at this beautiful sunset time. Actually, you will see the more colors after the sunset. Look at this outdoor restaurant here. People are eating and enjoying this beautiful day. It's a very beautiful sunset, golden hour. And look at this side here. There is a boats and private boats and public boats. People are enjoying in this beautiful waters here. You can see way in the background the Kennedy Performing Arts Center right over there, that white building. That is the place where all the performances takes place. And look at this beautiful site here. The colors, golden and orange colors popping up. And there is a nice deck to walk along this waterfront area. This place is really beautiful. There is a Georgetown College and there is a lot of people live around here. And also there is a lot of visitors come to visit this beautiful place. So look at this, all the boats docked on the side and people are sitting and enjoying in it, and maybe they completed their rides already. So I'm walking along here on this boardwalk here along this Potomac River, which is beautiful here. And this is a really beautiful side. The cyclists are biking here, and on the left side you can see a lot of chairs and tables laid out for the restaurant. So they're serving outside now because of this COVID situation. Look at this beautiful place. This is a really good. Most of the people are with the mask here. I see only very few people without mask. And this is a beautiful evening. The tall thing looks like some decorative museum kind of place, but there is a restaurant behind it, Sequoia, and looks like this is a restaurant. I do see fireplaces and also some tables and chairs. People are eating over there, I think. So this is a really beautiful site. This is the Georgetown. You can find parking either nearby or on the other side of the main road. You have to walk like 5 minutes and you can get here easily. Sometimes you can find the parking very close by, the paid parking. Look at this site in the backdrop of the sunset. These boats are just floating here and waiting. And I'm going to show you way further over there. There is a public boat where you can buy the tickets and hop on the boat and go for a ride. And let's go and find out how much the tickets are going to cost. And this place is really beautiful. I came here so many times. This place looks different in different seasons. So the summer is coming and this will be filled with more people as the weather gets better. It's a little bit chilly on this spring day, not bad. A lot of people around here, and this is a beautiful place to take a few pictures. And you can walk around here People are walking their dogs here, and a lot of people taking their pictures. And look at those tables and people eating outside. This is really good. Most of the time the food cost is expensive here compared. You see that is the Nightingale boat where you can hop on, buy the ticket and hop on and go and take a tour. Nick's Riverside Grill, that's what the restaurant name is. They have indoor and outdoor seating here. This place looks posh, and it's a beautiful time to spend. Look at this Nightingale, Washington DC, this boat. People are hopping in right now. Looks like it is going to take off in few minutes, and I do see a lot of people already got into the boat here. So still some people are lined up to get in. And look at this beautiful hut here. They placed this hut and there is a table inside. Wow, that is really good. Okay, so this is the place. Look at the ticket. Adults $20, children $10, and this is a boat. You can buy the tickets here and get on the boat. And look at this piece of art here, metal piece. This looks beautiful. So the park actually starts right here. All this area which we have been through, that is the Riverfront area. So this is beautiful world through my eyes. It's all about travel, food and fun. Subscribe.